Hi guys. Nintendo Switch. Got a bit of repair work to do here. I don't know if that's repairable without getting a replacement. I don't think popping that back in place is going to work because part of it's missing, isn't it? Get that in a bit closer. Yeah, that little knobble on that side is missing from that side. And this black bit is split. I don't know if I can do this. Probably better for it to go for professional repair. That looks to me in there like the bit that's broken off there. Can I point at it? Just in there. Come on, focus. Yeah, that bit of white at the back there, I think, is the bit that's broken off. So I suspect that even if I get it in there, it'll pop back out again. Nothing to hold it in place. I'll go and have a look on YouTube, see if there's a video on taking these apart. Oh, it looks like it's almost apart anyway. Yeah, I'll go and see if I can find a video. Oh, it is in a state, isn't it? That's cracked. The screen's got lots of cracks in it. It's been a bit abused, hasn't it? Yeah, I'll go and have a quick look, see if I can find a YouTube video for taking one of these apart. Well, there we go. Fixed. Yeah. But truth is, I cheated. Had a look on YouTube, found videos on how to do it. Unfortunately, to actually replace these joysticks, you take the back off, and then you take everything else off. You have to take the control board out, that well, all the boards, fan, heater, cooler, everything, because the joysticks are on this side and everything else is screwed on top of them. Not impossible to do, relatively straightforward, I would think, if you've done it more than once. But I looked at how much the parts would be. You do need Phillips screwdrivers and some triangular headed screwdrivers. And to buy them and the joystick was just short of £20. I found them in one place. And at the same time, I found a guy who repairs them fairly locally to me, certainly in Bristol. And he charged me 40 quid to get it done. And I thought, that probably costs in, because if I bought the bits for 20 quid and messed it up, I would still be paying more money to get it done. So I popped it round there and he got it done in about an hour. So I haven't given it to my grandson yet to check it works. I've only recharged it, and as you saw there, just wobbled the sticks around a bit. All the buttons seem to work. So yeah, it'll only be a bargain if I find out it is okay and my grandson's happy with it. But being as we're getting close to Christmas, I thought it'd be a good idea to get it fixed so he had something to keep him occupied. So I'm pleased. I have spent 40 quid. I could have possibly got away with just spending 20 quid, or I think it was £18.99 or something. So I actually get the bits. So job done, a bit quicker than intended. I just thought I would point out a few other things before people say, oh, you missed doing such and such. Yes, I know the, whatever we call this outer screen here, the touch screen, has got lots of cracks in it. There's a split up here. There's a split here. So this has been quite abused, and we could have spent quite a bit of money on it, having that replaced as well. But I'm not going to do that. We're just getting it working again. There's another split just there. And he will have to learn that if he abuses it and breaks it, it's going to be very expensive to keep repairing it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.